Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about cloud providers and cloud services. There are different types of cloud providers, differentiated based on type of cloud they provide. In total we have 4 types of cloud. They are public, private, hybrid, and community. On basis of where is your data stored, we will differentiate the clouds. Private. As the word suggests, cloud service will be owned by an organization for themselves. They store the data on their own data centers. In public cloud, your data will be stored along with others on same platform, but it is hidden from others and vice versa. Now few people want to store some of their important data privately and common data publicly. For these kind of people, hybrid is the correct choice. Some people or organizations join together as a group and build cloud to store all of their data. It is called community cloud. Let's discuss some keywords. Infrastructure. In cloud terms, infrastructure is a combination of compute plus network plus storage. Does it look complex for you? Let me make it simple. Think about CPU, which consists processor plus RAM, hard disk, network port to connect. Another keyword is platform. In cloud perspective, platform consists runtime environment. Runtime environment comes with built-in infrastructure. You don't need to create infrastructure again. It helps you to create applications. The last keyword is software. Software is simply an application like Gmail available for you to use directly without bothering about infrastructure and platform. Now this discussion help us in understanding of what these cloud providers offer us. Cloud services are 3 types. Infrastructure as a service will provide you infrastructure like Amazon. Platform as a service will provide you platform like Google. Software as a service will provide you software like Dropbox. We will conclude this with 2 pictures. You will get overview of cloud providers and services after watching these. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.